Hola, mi nombre es Emily Brooke Moats. Yo vivo Carrollton, Georgia. Mi alcalde es criminal justice. Uh, Me gusta escuchar música. Me gusta jugar el voleibol y el básquetbol. Uh, a veces me gusta jugar el fútbol con mi hermano y mi papá. Este viernes voy a la playa y trabajo. Um, During this time of Spanish online, there's a lot of stuff that I'm looking forward to. I think the main thing that I'm really looking forward to is like interacting with people online, obviously, and connecting Spanish 1 and Spanish 2. Like in the homework, I've already seen myself be like, oh, I learned that in Spanish 1. Oh, I remember how to conjugate this because of Spanish 1. Or, oh, I remember this phrase from Spanish 1. Oh, that's a vocab word from Spanish 1. So, the main thing I'm really looking forward to and like is going to be challenging is like connecting the things. But there's one thing I could really say about this class so far is like the professor is really helpful and like she's always on top of things and like responding to her emails really fast. So I really like that with it being an online class because you really can't get that with online classes that much. So I'm really looking forward to this online class, and if I ever have a YouTube live with you, I'm looking forward to it, and maybe I'll see you guys on campus. Adios!